Welcome back to my YouTube channel. The Indian EV revolution is in full swing, and Maruti Suzuki has finally joined the race with its highly anticipated 2025 Maruti Suzuki e-Vitara. This all-electric SUV promises to bring the brand's signature reliability, efficiency, and affordability to the EV market. But does it have what it takes to challenge the likes of Tata Nexon EV and MG ZS EV? Let's find out. Maruti Suzuki has played it safe with the design, sticking to a familiar Vitara silhouette while adding modern EV touches. The closed-off grille, sleek LED lighting, and aerodynamic lines give it a futuristic look without being too aggressive. You'll also notice blue accents around the body, signaling its electric identity. The alloy wheels are designed for efficiency, reducing drag and maximizing range. Step inside, and you're greeted by a spacious and tech-loaded cabin. The dashboard features a large 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a fully digital instrument cluster displaying real-time battery stats, range, and regenerative braking levels. Maruti has stepped up its game with premium materials, a panoramic sunroof, and ventilated seats, making the e-Vitara a comfortable place to be. Now, let's talk about what really matters in an EV: battery and performance. The e-Vitara is powered by a 60 kWh battery pack, delivering an impressive range of around 500 km on a single charge. With fast charging support, you can juice up 80% in just 45 minutes, making long-distance travel more convenient. The electric motor produces 150 bhp and 250 Nm of torque, offering a smooth yet punchy drive. Out on the road, the e-Vitara impresses with its silent operation and instant torque delivery. The steering is light, making city driving effortless, while the suspension is tuned for comfort. Maruti has equipped it with multiple drive modes, including Eco, Normal, and Sport, allowing you to choose between efficiency and performance. Safety is a top priority, and the e-Vitara doesn't disappoint. It comes with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, and advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, including lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. With a strong body structure and cutting-edge safety tech, this SUV ensures peace of mind on every drive. Now, let's talk about the price. Maruti Suzuki has always been known for affordability, and the e-Vitara is expected to launch at around a superscript 1 2025 Lock, ex-showroom. With government subsidies and lower running costs, it's a compelling alternative to petrol and diesel SUVs. So, is the Maruti Suzuki e-Vitara the EV revolution we've been waiting for? It certainly ticks all the right boxes: a great range, feature-packed cabin, and strong brand trust. If Maruti plays its cards right, this could be the best-selling electric SUV in India. What are your thoughts on the 2025 Maruti Suzuki e-Vitara? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Rolling Legends for more epic automotive content.